Earth, a living canvas, shaped by time and adorned with life. This breathtaking planet is home to countless species, each one reflecting the divine energy of creation. In the teachings of Shri Krishna, nature is not separate from us, but a manifestation of the Supreme. Join us as we explore the beauty of life and nature through the lens of Krishna's eternal wisdom. In the Bhagavad Gita, Shri Krishna reminds us, "I am the fragrance of the earth and that life in all beings." To forests, vibrant and alive, echo his presence. To peacock, often associated with Lord Krishna, spreads its feathers in a dance of devotion, reminding us of the divine connection between life and nature. These trees, the breath of the earth, are Krishna's gift to humanity. Beneath the waves lies a world of wonder. Shri Krishna declares, "Among bodies of water, I am the ocean." The vastness of the sea reflects the infinite nature of the divine, holding mysteries as deep as Krishna's teachings. Each wave whispers stories of life, resilience, and the eternal cycle of creation. On the open plains, life thrives in harmony and balance. Krishna, as the protector of cows and all living beings, reminds us of our duty to nurture and respect the animal kingdom. The rhythmic migration of herds and the mighty roar of the lion reflect Krishna's essence as the sustainer and protector of life. In the sacred land of Gokul, Lord Krishna showed us the divine bond between humans, animals, and nature. As Govinda, he lovingly tended to cows, teaching us the importance of compassion and coexistence. Every blade of grass, every gentle creature, is a reminder of Krishna's divine play, the Leela of Life. Shri Krishna taught that the universe is a reflection of the divine, and to harm it is to harm ourselves. In a world where nature faces unprecedented threats, Krishna's wisdom guides us to protect this sacred balance. Through devotion and action, humanity can honor Krishna's message and ensure the survival of our shared home. Nature is Krishna's divine creation, a temple without walls. As we walk this earth, may we remember his teachings, to see divinity in every tree, every animal, and every breath, for when we protect nature, we honor Krishna himself. This is the story of life, nature, and the eternal teachings of Shri Krishna. The question is, how will you honor his creation?